favorite song Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this Instagram trending sticker right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I will go out of that page, and from here you just have to go to the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And from here you have to go to viral now from highlights, and then here you'll see that I only have viral stickers, so you can also check these too. So you just have to swipe until you find the desired sticker. So it's the last one. Here we have it, and from here you just have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, which I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this button. So yeah, from here you can go to your uploads, which is in the left bottom corner, and choose a background for your sticker, for your song. So I will go ahead and choose a background photo. I will go with this one for the moment. This is just an example for you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. So from here you can place your sticker where you want. So now let's find our old favorite song. So you can go to your stickers, and then from here go to music, and here you have to search for the music that you once loved. So I will go with this song, and from here you just have to click on the done button from the right top corner, and now you can take your sticker and make it smaller or bigger. And then from here you just have to click to share to, then click share to your story, and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.